Hello everybody. So now I want to show you how to answer this one. We can use about Cauchy-Euler differential equations. So I will put about yc. That is about s to the power of n. Later that we need to do first the derivative of this one, and that is about ns to the power of n minus 1. This is about the power rule of the derivative. And now we go to second derivative of this one. And that is about n multiplied by n minus 1 s to the power of n minus number 2. So because this is about complementary solution, so I will put this one equals to number 0, and then I will put this one to replace this one, and this one go in here, and this one go in here. So in this situation, s to the power of number 2 multiplied by this one, that is about s to the power of n. This one, that is about s to the power of n. Later that we can do about factorization by s to the power of n. So we have like this. And now we need to find the solution of this one. So this one, that is about n squared minus n. So this one we simplify. So I will put number 1 go to the right. And this one we got about n equals to the square root of negative I negative number 1, and n equals to negative of the square root of negative number 1. And this is about I and I. So in this situation, we can find about yn or yc. So we have c number 1, that is about the constant number 1, s to the power of I, and we have c number 2, that is about the constant number 2, s to the power of negative I. So in this one we can put c number 1 sine of f and s, and c number 2, that is about cosine of f and s. Now we need to find about particular solution. So we have this one, and we can see that we have f and s. So it is in this situation I will put about yb, that is about capital H f and s, and we put about b, that is about the constant. Now if we do first the derivative of yb, we have 8 over s, because f and s, that is about 1 over s. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. And now we go to second derivative of yb, and that is about negative 8 over s squared. So I will put this one go in here, and this one gone here. Y, that is about this one. Now, if we simplify, you got negative 8. This one we have positive 8. So, we simplify negative 8 and positive 8. And we can see that coefficient of F and S, that is about number 1. We don't have the number in here, that is about number 0. So that means 8 equals to number 1, B equals to number 0. And we put number 1 and number 0 on here. And we got F and S. So the final answer, that is about Y equals to YC plus YB. So YC, that is about this one. And YB, that is about F and S. This is the end. Thank you for watching.